Hello, so I wanted to run through quickly how I think we can best support each other with stories like this from Unique Learning. So we all should have our story out. Perez, I will email you this exact PDF, and so students will have this, and then each of them will have a separate communication board that I want them to have like out next to the story. So they'll have the story and then they'll have this communication board. So I'd have them hold up the story, have them hold up the communication board, and then kind of go over some big words on this communication board before you start. You can say, or you can just use this video. Okay, so like let's look at the word ball, and then everybody finds the word ball. And everybody knows what a ball is. What's your favorite kind of ball? Do you like a football, a soccer ball, a basketball? And then everybody can share. We can also point out the word move, because that's a big part of this story, is about motion and moving. Also the word block. What's it mean to block something? If my soccer ball is blocked from the goal, I don't score. It means you put up something to stop something that's moving. Block. Say block or point to block. So if we have that out next to us, we can check for understanding as we read. So if we go back up to the top, So today is just going to be a shared reading. Anytime that we introduce a story, we're just reading. The staff is going to model how we read the story, but then have the kids interact with that communication board. Okay. This story is called Soccer Motion. Look at their feet. They look like they're kicking the ball and making the ball move. Move is motion. Austin and Jenny are at the soccer field. They are excited for the soccer game. They have practiced hard. What sport are they playing? They're playing soccer. Can we find soccer on our board, or can we find the soccer ball on our boards? So then have them maybe hold that up. You can ask one of the students to find the ball. And so just kind of progressing through the story like that. And then after each page, you could even ask them like a who question. So like, who is the story about? After the first page, we know it's about Austin and Jenny. And they have that board. Like, so again, they can point to the pictures. They can use their words. Anything like that. So students, I encourage you to use this board. Answer those who, what questions as you go along. And then on Thursday, when you go back and you reread, and you'll be able to answer some of the questions a little bit better. Have fun reading.